Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In this video, we'll show you how to set up Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, so for a demonstration purpose, we'll be showing this website. You can see over here, Mastro Steel Detailing. So they are a steel detailing company, and they served their business in USA, Canada, and India. Okay, so if you need any services like steel detailing or any related services, then you can contact them. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So you can see over here, whenever people come to this page, we have a contact button available here. So if I click on it, then we have some forms available here, like project details, then some your company details and your service details. So whenever a user come to this form and fill up this form and click on submit button, and then they will be redirected to a thank you page. And I want to track this as a lead event. Okay, so let's do that. So you can see over here, I have already created a tag manager account for this. And now I will be setting up Google Ads conversion tracking. So as you know, for setting up Google Ads conversion tracking, we need to set up conversion linker first. So that's what I will be doing right now. So I have come to the tag section and I will click on new and name it as conversion linker. Yes, perfect. And I'm going to be choosing tag configuration as Google Ads, then conversion linker, and the triggering would be all pages. Okay, perfect. I'll click on save. So we have created a tag called conversion linker. Then we need to go to the trigger section, because before creating the tags for Google Ads conversion tracking, we need to create a trigger. So I'm going to click on new and I'll name this trigger as, okay, so you can name it as per your requirements. I'll click on trigger configuration and I'm going to be choosing page view because we want to track this one as our lead event. Okay, then some page view, then we'll get, you can use either page path or page URL. So I'm going to be using page URL contains. Then I'm going to be copying this one slash thank you. Okay, perfect. And I'll be using this. Okay, I'll click on save. So we have created the trigger. Okay, now we need to create the tag. Okay, so I'll click on tag and I'll click on new and I'll name this tag as, okay, perfect. And I'll be choosing tag configuration as Google Ads, then Google Ads conversion tracking. Then you can see over here, we need conversion ID, conversion label, and value, currency, and transaction ID are for e-commerce. So we'll not be using them. So for getting conversion ID and conversion label, we need to go to the Google Ads dashboard. So if you go to the goals section, then we have an option called conversions. Then we'll be clicking on summary. So I'll be choosing create conversion action. I'm going to be choosing website. Then we need to provide our website URL. So I'm going to be copying it from here and paste it over here. And I'll click on scan. Then I'll be choosing add a conversion action manually. Then from goal and action optimization section, I'll be choosing submit lead form. Okay, and as the conversion name, I'll give this as Google Ads conversion lead. So you can customize it as per your requirements, no worries. And I'll be use the same value for this conversion. Okay, and count would be 1 because for lead we need to choose this one. Okay. And as the click-through conversion window, I'll maximize the date range. Similarly, for engage view conversion window, I'll maximize the date range. Similarly, for view through conversion window, I'll maximize it. Then attribution will be data driven. Then I'll click on done. and I'll click on save and continue. Then you can see over here, we can set up Google Ads conversion tracking using Google Tag. You can email the instruction to your webmaster, or you can use Google Tag Manager. So for the time being, we'll be using Google Tag Manager. So if I go to the Tag Manager, then you can see over here, we need conversion ID and conversion level. So I'm gonna copy the conversion ID from here and use it here. And conversion level, this one is the conversion level. So I'm gonna copy it from here and I'll paste it over here. Okay. Then I need to choose a trigger. So I'll be using this one, Google Ads conversion trigger, and I'll click on save. Okay, perfect. I'll copy this URL. So for checking whether it is working fine or not, I'm gonna click on the preview section. So if I enter this URL, this slash thank you, then our event should be fired. So I'm gonna click on connect. You can see over here, thank you, we have received your information. Then if I go to the tag assistant, then you can see over here, Google Ads conversion lead has fired one time. Okay. So yeah, this is how you can set up. You need to click on done over here. This is how you can set up Google Ads conversion tracking using thank you page. Okay. So hopefully you have understood. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. If you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.